This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup in your soup maker. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of ripe, juicy tomatoes, a medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 500 milliliters of vegetable broth, a touch of cream, and your essential seasonings like salt, pepper, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Fresh basil will be perfect for a final flourish. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time for a quick preparation. Wash your beautiful tomatoes and cut them into quarters. Next, peel and roughly chop your medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Remember, there's no need for superfine dicing here, as your soup maker will do all the hard work of blending everything to a smooth consistency later on. With your vegetables prepped, it's time to load up your soup maker. Carefully place the quartered tomatoes, chopped onion, and garlic inside. Pour in 500 milliliters of vegetable broth and a tablespoon of olive oil. Add about a half teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Close the lid, select the smooth soup setting, and let your soup maker work its magic for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Your soup maker has finished its cycle, and your delicious tomato soup is ready. It will have automatically blended to a perfect smooth consistency. Carefully open the lid and stir in a splash of cream for an extra touch of richness. Taste and adjust the seasonings to your liking, adding a little more salt or pepper if needed. Serve your hot, comforting soup immediately, garnished with fresh basil leaves and a drizzle of olive oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.